We'd actually just taken off. I guess we did a lazy loop and then headed east, and all of a sudden this loud pop, 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 really loud and a ripping sound. And as this is all going on, we're looking around and trying to figure out what's going on. I mean, it sounded like bowling balls were falling from the overhead bins. And the very last thing that happened was all the interior plastic panels insulation started ripping out from the sides of the aircraft in the same row, both sides and up on the top. So it was terrifying. We didn't know what was going on. We were all shouting for the flight crew, "Come look at the the walls are caving in." You know, and they finally the guys said, "No, sit down, we're still climbing." "No, come back and look at this now." And so they came back and said, "Oh my God," and then they started calling up to the flight deck to tell them what was going on. But we flew for 45 minutes, almost an hour. We made it all the way to Nevada before turning around and coming back, if you look at the flight tracker, before they made a decision. So the flight crew brought cell phones to try to take pictures of the damage to give it to the pilot. And the pilot finally came back himself to come look at it, and he didn't say anything, he just looked at it. You know, I had my camera there, they didn't like that. And then they went back to the cockpit and came on the PA and said, "We're declaring an emergency, we're doing an emergency landing, we're going back to SFO." And we were trying to figure out why don't we land now? I mean, I don't know where we are, but let's get this done now.